ATM Cost Business Explained, the complete 2025 breakdown. So I've been in ATM business for over 25 years. I have witnessed some patterns of success and failures. There are 3 critical mistakes that do most ATM businesses. What I'm about to show you is based on helping hundreds of ATM business startups that led to ATM business success. The real cost of starting an ATM business isn't what most people think. Some say you need $50,000 to start. Others claim you can do it with just $1,000. Today I'm going to break down every single cost, from the obvious ones to the hidden expenses nobody talks about. After 25 years in this business, I'll show you exactly what you need to budget for 2025. We had a pharmacist who wanted to get an ATM business. He started with 1 ATM. Now he has 6 ATMs, all while continuing to be a pharmacist. His concerns were that he had to work a full-time job, which made him a lot of money, but he wanted to get some extra money in the ATM business. He wanted something that wasn't demanding, but brought in extra income. He reached out to us about the ATM business, and now he has a proven successful ATM business. We broke down the true cost of the ATM business, so we knew how much ATM new stock was going to cost, and how long it would take to get his return on investment, and how long it would take to start making money. We needed to make sure that he was not buying too many ATMs too fast by putting him in the hole and not getting his money returned to him in a timely fashion. The ATM business is a great one, but you have to do your homework. That is why we're here today to help you guys in starting and grow your ATM business right out of the ground. There are 3 principles about the ATM business cost. So number 1 is investment cost. 2, growing cost. Number 3, opportunity cost. And number 4, hidden cost. Investment cost. What's it going to cost me to invest in the ATM business? You're going to have somewhere between $2,500 and $3,000. That's going to include your ATM, your wireless device if you decide to go that route, programming, shipping, installation, and vault cash. That's vault, V-A-U-L-T. That's the money that you put into ATM. So when they come in and take the money out of your ATM, that's your money going out to the customer. You get that money reimbursed the next business day. You're going to need somewhere between $2,000 and $3,000. That's a good starting point. A lot of people start with less. Some people start with more. Always figure between $2,000 and $3,000 per location. This will help you get a good handle on how much it costs for your initial investment cost. And then you have mentorship. That's going to cost you anywhere from $500 on up, depending on who's mentoring you in the program. Now you got growing costs. You got your wireless costs, that's on a continuing basis, on a monthly cost. And then you have growing costs of sometimes the bank will charge you extra fees for getting the money out of the bank. Then you got opportunity costs. Opportunity costs is when you decide to do something rather than something else. In this case, I always recommend you guys get a location agreement with your location. But by giving that up and not doing that hard due diligence and getting that location agreement, you're going to give up the possible, if you want to sell your ATM business at a later date, you're going to give up anywhere from 1 to 2 times of revenue. You heard that right, 1 to 2 times revenue on a monthly basis. So if you're making $100 a month, you're going to give away 2 years revenue. That's $2,400 you could be giving away. If you're making $200 a month or $300 a month, it could be as much as $3,600 that you're giving away per stop. So don't do that. Make sure you get a location agreement. Make sure you get a 5-year location agreement. So you can have an exit strategy if you choose to desire. And now you're going to get anywhere from 2 to 3 times revenue when you decide, or if you decide to sell your ATM business. And your last but not least is your hidden cost, which are insurance, bank fees, tools, any extra tools. We chose to buy a hammer drill. I bought the most expensive one, but we use it all the time. Drill cost me $900. You can always rent one for $75 per time. But we made a decision a long time ago to invest in the business, and that's one of the things we invested. A dolly to move your ATM. You can buy that as cheap as $75, but we bought an expensive one, cost us $300. And an accounting program that helps you manage your books. That would be, we use QuickBooks program. There's going to be a monthly fee associated with that. QuickBooks Online, they used to just have a program that you buy the QuickBooks. Now it's QuickBooks Online. Probably going to cost you about $25 to do something like that. Here's what 25 years of being in the ATM business has taught me about startup costs. It's not about how much you invest, it's about how smartly you invest in. With $6,000 and the right knowledge, you can start a legitimate ATM business that has real growth potential. Your cash investment stays your cash, which means the money you put into your ATM, as we labeled earlier, is the vault cash. It just works differently for you now. The machine holds its value. We have machines that have been on the route for over 17 years. The real question isn't a question of whether you can afford to start. It's whether you're ready to invest and do it right. Because when you do, the returns can be truly life-changing. So if you're thinking about getting an ATM business, we want to invite you to our free checklist entitled ATM Business Passive Income Checklist. The 5 things you need to know to start your profitable ATM business so you can have a clear roadmap towards ATM business success. You can earn between $250 and $1,500 of passive income every single month. If this sounds exciting to you, click the link down below and start your ATM journey today. Again, this is Phil from the ATM Mastermind Group page, where we buy your freedom back one transaction at a time.